the language I tried to learn was Xhosa. Yes, that has a click in it. It's not Xhosa, it's Xhosa. Okay, I want everybody to try this. And they say white people can't click. It's like, okay, that's the X. That's the X click. So Xhosa is spelled X-H-O-S-A. Xhosa. So that's the X click. It's like you're calling a horse or something. Here, boy. Okay? The C is like a disapproving noise. Okay, try it. And a word like that is ling. Okay? Ling means small. Ling. Yeah, all right. You're all gonna go on the sound after trip next, right? Next year. And then there's one more click, the Q. Knock. It's like you're knocking on a door. Yeah, that's pretty good. Like, yeah. And a word for that is umrecha. Okay, that means doctor. Yeah. And then the RH is like you're clearing your throat. That's what I always do when I go to the doctor. Woo, these clicks drawn out my mouth. Nail gene. But with Xhosa, it's a really interesting language to see people try to avoid. All the white people will, there's an exception. There's a very particular kind of white person who's good at clicking. But all other white people are petrified that they will run into a click in everyday life. And because a lot of people have names like Masikole. And they say, oh, hi, what's your name? Masikole. Okay. And are you Tswana? No, I'm not Tswana. You must be Swati. No, I'm not Swati. Okay, Zulu? No, not Zulu. You are the one in the Eastern Cape. Xhosa? Yes, that's the one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's the one I meant. Yes, I'm Xhosa. And sorry, your name again? Masikole. Can I call you Masi? And I actually did have a housemate named Masi. He introduced himself as Masi. I didn't find out his name was Masikole until like 6 months down the road. But white people who can click will make sure you know that they can click. Habiso! Habiso, how you doing, Habiso? Oh, it's so great to see you, Habiso. Oh, Habiso. Habiso, have you met my friend Nomo Samtang? Nomo Samtang? Meet Habiso. Sort of game of ping pong, like But the nice thing about the language is I spend a lot of time in the classroom teaching rowdy kids, and in the States you can get away with whispering in the back of the classroom. You're like, Zach, do you have a test? Yeah. Okay. Just okay, good. Awesome, thanks. You can get away with that. In Xhosa you can't. Whoa, sorry. Who is building a birdhouse in the back of the classroom? What I really want to see, though, is a Xhosa Broadway musical. How amazing would that be? Because Broadway singers have a very particular style. I don't know why, they have a personal vendetta against consonants and try to kick the crap out. I went to see Joseph and the Amazing Technicolor Dreamcoat in London in 2008. It was an amazing production. I think they spent like half Britain's GDP on the thing. And the guy who was singing, the lead, Joseph, I think he had a really good voice. But I couldn't really tell because of his consonants. And you know like the really famous song from Joseph, I close my eyes, drew back the curtain, you know? It's an amazing song. And that's how a normal person would sing it. But this guy is like, I closed my eyes, drew back that in Tulsa. Like a New York actor would get his English translation first. Be like, okay, the little child goes to see the doctor. The little child goes to see the doctor. Okay. Oh, sorry. No. That's not how a normal person would do it. Obviously, if he's Broadway, it's like, the little child goes to see the doctor. And then he gets the Xhosa translation, and because he's cosmopolitan and can speak all the languages, he obviously knows how to speak it already. And he gets in, okay. I don't know why they haven't done it yet. Either way, it would do better than Spider-Man. Whoops. Obviously touched a sore spot. Some Bono fans out there, maybe? Hey, it'll still do well. But even people walking out are so offended. Like, oh, I can't stand